Futuristic inventions that will change everyday life. World Around Me Arsl. Welcome to World Around Me Arsl. Today, we're diving into the future to explore mind-blowing inventions that could revolutionize our everyday lives. Let's take a look at how technology will make life easier, smarter, and more exciting. 1. AI-powered personal assistants. Imagine having a virtual assistant that thinks ahead for you. Future AI companions will go beyond answering simple questions. They'll predict your needs, schedule your day, manage your health, and even help with emotional well-being. With wearable AI devices, life will become more organized and stress-free. 2. Self-cleaning smart homes. Tired of cleaning? The future has the perfect solution. Self-cleaning homes will use robotic cleaners, dust-repelling surfaces, and automated waste disposal to keep everything spotless. Thanks to advanced nanotechnology, germs and dust won't stand a chance. 3. Smart clothing for health monitoring. Your clothes will do more than just look good. Smart fabrics will monitor your heart rate, hydration, and stress levels in real time. If something's wrong, they'll alert you, or even your doctor, before it becomes a serious issue. This could be life-saving for the elderly and people with health conditions. 4. Flying personal vehicles. Say goodbye to traffic jams. Future flying cars will use AI-powered navigation to transport people safely through the skies. With electric vertical takeoff and landing technology, your daily commute will be faster, greener, and way more exciting. 5. Food replicators, the future of cooking. Imagine making a delicious meal instantly. Future food replicators, inspired by sci-fi, will use 3D printing technology to create fresh, nutritious meals from plant-based and lab-grown ingredients. No food waste, no effort, just press a button and eat. 6. Augmented reality workspaces. Work from home will never be the same. Augmented reality will replace screens with holographic workstations. Virtual documents, 3D presentations, and real-time collaboration will make work more immersive, creative, and productive. The future is closer than we think, and these inventions will transform the way we live, work, and travel. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Around Me Arsl for more amazing content. See you in the next video.